What's up, guys? Scotty here. I'm back with my friend. Basically, I do work.
I'm not wearing any pants right now.
Okay, that's good to know. Today we're going to be reacting to Smitty Wheezes, and let me tell you, they're fucking incredible. So I hope you enjoy.
Okay, go upstream, boys. Head up like north. We'll meet you there.
Go back to the mating spot.
What?
What the fuck? What's going on here? What the
This reminds me of OG Warzone.
Yeah.
The hills couldn't climb anything.
I've never heard that laugh from any of you. I've genuinely never heard that laugh. Bro,
Matt's lost a lot of weight.
Oh yeah. He's ripped now.
I can't get up. I'm stuck.
Get over there.
Not even see.
Smitty's not even saying words anymore.
I've never heard that noise in my life.
Yeah. You know what? I might just go around this hill.
Oh, yeah, there you
go.
I'm gonna try this way again.
Fucking crazy.
I'm gonna go ahead and go around the hill. He's going, oh, just go in the water.
I'm gonna throw up.
Scary, bro.
Am I got butter shoes on? What the fuck is happening to me? No shot.
How can you not climb that?
This is the edge of the map. Maybe we can't go any further than.
No way. That's not even close.
No, they're right in the middle.
Come on.
Yeah, it was the edge of the map. That's why. I'm hearing a
yeah, just give up.
Wheeze was fucking insane. I've never heard that before.
I don't even know what got us to that point.
I think it's just you get caught so off guard. That's when you make those weird noises.
Confession. I've never played a Red Dead game.
I haven't either. I want to. It doesn't even have to be modded. I just want to play it because it seems goofy as hell. I mean, it's GTA. We basically played this fucking game for 10 years.
It's GTA Cowboy. I'm surprised we didn't lean into it heavy when we stopped playing GTA as much.
Rut-row, Raggy.
And not
Jesus Christ.
Is that Grizzy?
Scooby-Doo is a Dark Souls boss.
Scooby Demon.
What is that?
Oh my god!
Horse ass laugh.
Bro, I can only picture. I can straight up just picture Scooby-Doo looking like badasses on a motorcycle.
Caption with like that shit that's like, Lord forgive me, but I'm back on my grind or something.
It feels like it's almost just like a regular Smitty laugh, just a little bit elevated.
With some horse into his like back of his throat. He sounds like he needs a cough drop.
Yeah, he ran out of just enough air that he's just wheezing now.
Oh, it just happens when you die sometimes.
Oh, he died.
Whoa.
What the fuck?
Okay, I am in a
Yo,
bicycle.
Oh, who's on the bike?
That's me, baby.
I think I'm gonna win. Hey,
Oh,
wait,
no.
you can't move yet.
no.
Hold on.
What is happening?
What do you mean, cheater? I'm on a bicycle. I'm on a little
Oh, it's Nogla, of course.
God, get out of here.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
I gotta run
And he
over.
fucked himself over. Oh my god!
Noko did all that and didn't say a word, by the way.
Correct.
Hey, yo, wait a minute.
It sounds like they have his audio cranked down, which I don't blame him.
Yes, that is true. You can hear it now.
Wait, why is there a jet? Oh man,
That's mine.
Oh, no.
I'm the best GTA racist alive.
What?
number one racist.
Wait, what?
Now we hear Nogla, the only time. Okay, yeah, I just thought he was like dead and respawning.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
When was the wheeze? Was it at the just this at the beginning? Was the
It might have been. He's hella quiet. There it is. There it is. There's the tea kettle. There's the tea kettle right there.
I mean, they did ragdoll fucking Yoda.
All right.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
You got this, Matt. I believe in you. I should have got out probably.
Okay, so where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go?
Turn the other way, like facing me.
Facing you? Okay.
Facing me, and then get closer to me, lower, so I can hop on. Okay. Relax.
It's hard to see. It's
What are you doing?
It's hard to
Stay.
see.
What could go wrong here?
Okay, relax.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Oh, I remember this. It fucks it up. It
Yep.
fucks it up, right?
I can't place it. Hold
Yep.
on. I'm trying I can't drop it. I can't drop it.
Maybe we did need the ammo crate just to fuck it up.
I was holding the sentry.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, yeah.
there you
There
go.
it is.
Oh shit! He's still alive.
How did you survive? Look at the icon. Ty, get out. Ty, you gotta see.
What the Did somebody just stop at a stop sign too late?
Oh, fuck you.
It sounded like squeaky ass brakes.
Oh,
God. Look at the sentry guy. It's just chilling.
Bro, that shit is mangled.
Oh, shit.
Damn, bro. Why are your legs all fucked up? That's what happens if you talk shit about Chick-fil-A. God just sends you right to hell.
This was literally you.
That's true. Okay.
See it drop on the ground on your screen? Or
No.
You just leave?
Ty, you did the right thing. Honestly, I checked my inventory really quick for a grenade or missile to kill myself with.
He has an advanced UAV.
Yep, I noticed that. They don't make games like they used to.
They really don't. They really don't. But people say we're nostalgia baiting.
I mean, did this Warzone have skill-based matchmaking?
Yes.
Was it the fact that during COVID, there were so many people playing that they had enough people to fit at your same skill level? They didn't pull from other levels of, like, better players.
The queue was like, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah. All those people working from home, but they weren't actually working.
Yeah. Like, the world was on this game.
No, he's fine. He's fine.
I'm good.
All right.
What
Well,
the
now we need
fuck?
to raid.
Bro. Wait, he died?
Slow down, man.
I love when my friends take a hard left for no good reason.
No, bro, you ran right into me.
You took a hard left.
Yeah, we just saw the
that's right
replay.
answer.
No, to be fair, Puffer went straight on a curve.
Okay, fair.
Hey, Matt did it. I could do it. Jump right here, do a little 360, jump down
Bro,
here.
I can't
I'm
even
dead.
see him.
No,
Okay, he died.
Fucking just turned into a deflating balloon.
Man, tea kettle's fucking all heated up.
Dude, I love the analogies people have for that sound. The wheeze, deflated balloon, stopping at a stop sign.
Yeah, there's so many different things you can think of. Like fucking chalk. Like there's so many fucking things.
Oh!
Slept an agent.
Oh! Wait! It has to
Oh
be
my
a star.
God.
It has to be.
No way.
Oh!
Wait.
That's crazy.
What is happening?
The rich get richer, am I right?
Guys, and then everything
Yep.
works out great.
I'm gonna keep playing by the rules.
Kids, I'm robbing
You a bitch. You do not want that smoke.
I don't know.
again.
Someone just died in real life.
It'll be the next Mario Party where he's like, "You remember that time?"
Uh-oh. This isn't good for Grizzy.
Hey, no moment. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa,
Grizzy,
whoa.
got
Ain't no way.
I got a feeling Grizzy going
Ain't
left.
You
no
gotta hit
way.
it. You gotta hit it immediately. Like, I
No one ever said that. Hey, oh!
Someone getting robbed.
Listen to him pleading.
Whoa.
Grizzy.
There's no
Grizzy's
bleeding.
getting
It's
robbed.
just like,
He
that's
called it.
what
It's Smitty.
Ooh.
I should hope nobody takes my stuff.
Give me it.
I ain't looking to turn around.
Dude, game's racist.
Break the
He
Racist.
called that shit.
You will be rewarded. Remember this.
Yeah.
Remember
it's
this.
Whatever, bro. It's just pixels. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad.
Things I say when I'm mad.
The single-handedly worst turn ever.
This isn't real life. This is a video game. I'm not even upset.
It all started.
Everybody.
It all started with me. Oh, it feels good.
You reap what you sow, Grizzy. You did this shit 2 months ago.
I don't even know how to sew. Shut up.
I ain't reading nothing.
Bro, that is tough. Who was it that predicted it? Puffer?
Smitty did.
Oh, Smitty did.
He goes, this is real bad for Grizzy. And that's exactly what happened.
And we're still going to call this guy a prediction master? Bro, he's hacking the game.
Smitty's character looks like it's me, but he
Why
let
do you
himself
think
go.
I said
I love
this
his me.
reminds
His
me
me
of
is so
me?
iconic.
Ah,
I am a handsome.
Oh.
Something. We're gonna go to the playground. Let's go to the playground for a little bit.
We don't look like people who are allowed near the playground.
That is true.
I don't think we should be going anywhere
I am
near that.
Especially since
Hey,
they left
lasted
back
like
there.
Oil on
month.
your big belly.
What the fuck is
Look how
it?
small your ankles are. They look like
like
chicken
brawl-
It
drumsticks.
looks like a
Brawlhalla?
TF2 heavy that has
Bro stars or some shit.
You look like Deadpool when he had his legs cut off and he had the little tiny ones. I feel like if we jump into one of these buildings, they're coming down with us.
9/11.
Wow, nice.
Holy shit, a second baby!
Oh my god! Speaking of deflating balloon.
Oh, hold on, I committed suicide. Look at me!
Look at your little body.
Hold on. I'll climb up.
You don't have to climb. Just
That felt so random. I don't know why that made him laugh so hard.
Yeah. This might be his first time in the lobby. This might be the first game they played.
That's fair.
Kitties.
You look like my when it's cold out.
I mean, relatable, but still.
What made you say that?
I mean,
His shoulders kind of make the like tip of your don't they? That like slight little in cave. You know what I'm talking about?
it does look like a little acorn, so that does make sense.
Look like he got out the fucking cold ass swimming pool. The one where you immediately try to like pull your shorts off of your skin because you know how small your is. You know what I'm talking about? Or you be like,
Yeah, and you can see it clearly because your bathing suit's sticking to your legs.
yeah, you know, like everybody can see how small my is right now. Everybody.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
He's so quick with it, dude. I'm so
Joe Biden has been murdered by Smitty.
What is it?
I just had a
In the
pipe
kill
wrench.
feed.
Come next to me. Come next to
Yeah.
me. I'll show you, buddy. Come here. Gotta be quicker.
Oh my god.
You're like some spirit Halloween decoration, like jumps out at you.
You are unbelievably quick with
on the
that.
lawn mat, you just
grab
Spirit of
one
Halloween is
piece
open right now,
of
by the
candy.
way.
Of course it is. Oh my god.
The fact that his gorilla is
That's
like
it, I'm
leaning
going off
back
the
with his
fucking
mouth
mountain.
open and this shit.
Wait, we all gotta do it.
Wait, I need a wheelchair. Hold on.
I'm on fire.
He's just happy to be alive.
What to do to your wheelchair friend when they're not behaving?
Bonk.
Yeah, you're fucking hilarious, buddy. Rattle.
Rattled.
I'm gonna get some gas.
Good luck, man.
What the fuck?
Oh, I can use some gas.
Be careful. Don't smoke near the.
Bro.
That's a wheeze. That's a high quality wheeze. Right there.
I told you not to smoke near them.
It's always the fucking sandbox games. That's when you're gonna get these best moments. They're gonna catch you off guard and get you wheezing.
Can they just change their name in game?
I don't know. Does it use your Steam name?
I thought it did, but it's modded, so maybe not.
Surely it does, because otherwise I don't know why I don't think they'd be changing it like that.
The GC, I'm putting bangers in there.
Bangers in the
Wait, there's a group chat in the game? What the fuck? Not the furniture being moved.
We should play the actual game at some point, no?
I feel like when this shit is built into the game, why bother playing it?
True.
You're seeing the best part. It would be funny if you're like actively getting murdered and you send a text of the fucking monster right behind you.
I feel like what was it, the content game with the camera?
Content warning?
Yes. Imagine you combine this with content warning. There's no video camera. It's a fucking group chat. And you can send videos, and at the end it compiles all the videos. There's a review of the group chat.
That's banging.
You gotta get there's some kind of fucking repo sloppy, go grab shit, return it, ghost type stuff.
I think you're onto something. Bro's cooking.
You all spawn in and you're split up, and you're just like, whoop, and it's just like, where you at? Da-da-da-da. New phone, who this? Whoop. And then like you're sitting there and like the fucking monster's right in front of you, and your phone's just like, whoop, and it can fucking hear you. You're like trying to silence, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Your phone starts vibrating.
Yeah, and the ghost can hear it and shit.
Bro, I like the concept of you not spawning together.
Yes, and like you can like use your flashlight to communicate and like all kinds of shit, and you have to like find each other while like bringing like some kind of like boom, come on, someone please give me all your team.
Guys, I got horrible news. My last few moments are right now.
Oh, really?
Oh boy.
No, don't even.
Oh
Bro.
shit.
I literally
the
have
wall. Look at the way I'm
1%
hitting
health
this
right now. I'm about to pass away, Fitz, and you're just dancing. You don't even care about me at all. That's ridiculous.
Hold on, Fitz, let me get a photo of you dancing.
Dude, your Fortnite emote on his bitch ass.
Wait, move closer to it, move closer to it.
Oh shit. How do I?
Bro, this is incredible.
Now imagine you're across the map and this hits the group chat. The group chat. Be like, I found it. I found Scotty. And he's just fucking.
Yeah, you're like running for your life, and then you just see a funny ass picture in the group chat.
You're just sprinting, and you hold up your fucking phone, and it's a video of someone hitting the fucking Carlton over Nogla's fucking body. And then below that is you, just a voice note of you fucking screaming.
Dude, I need to play this game.
Oh boy.
Like this type of shit.
Yep.
Talk to my boy.
Oh my god.
Did you just insta-kill him, dude?
No, he wasn't revived yet.
No, this would be insta-killing him. Died. Why does he look like a frog? Does anyone else see a frog when he look at this?
Oh my god!
Wait, do we not? We must have more.
Oh yeah, I got another one.
He's gonna get killed again.
What the fuck? Let a boy breathe.
Okay, hold on.
He did breathe.
Actually,
Took one breath.
Him. Don't kill him. Please do not kill him. We're running out.
Please die!
I really want to believe he died right there at the end. Holy fuck. Bro, this video is incredible.
Any updates on the nuclear bomb situation?
Nothing at all.
That's crazy. Why he drop it like, oh, I didn't just shoot him?
Oh, who did that? Who did
How do you
that?
point? John, how do you point? Where the hell did they come from?
Wait, I'm not pointing.
Wait, you killed someone.
Wait, you killed someone.
This Joe's just fucking breaking it down.
Dude, I love Friend Slop. This shit's the best. Best $2.99 I've ever spent.
Facts.
Why am I facing the wrong way? Look at my
His car's just backwards.
Smitty, why?
Guys, stop driving. Puffer, stop driving.
Alright. Oh shit. Wait.
Oh shit.
That was a fast race.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
So quiet. This part.
Fuck my.
Are you going backwards? Mine.
No.
I don't know what's happening.
How do I use this?
Bro. None of them made it.
So stupid, dude.
Matt?
That's insane. Dude,
This game does look hella
The
fun.
respawn.
okay,
Yeah.
that was so mean. That was crazy.
No, we don't need it.
I like the top down.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, everything is going wrong.
Suicide shot. He trick shotted you.
Yes, that's karma.
Dude, I literally didn't get to do anything. I got getting killed off
Oh my
rip.
god, that's got nothing.
I got to
What is
race
that
once.
sound?
There was some gargle in that
Or
one.
you killed him
like,
once, and then I killed him the second time, and then I killed him a third time, and then a fourth.
Valid.
Come here.
Get your ass away from me.
Come here.
Oh boy.
Dude, I just want to make it.
No. Not allowed. Oh my god.
Not the cartoon mallet.
Yeah.
This is a generational.
Look, he's goofy as fuck.
This is generational talent right here. This is. Oh man.
Actually,
What did you hit?
I am not having fun.
Hitting points. Slapped me off the
I feel like that's rare for Matt.
finished? I didn't do anything.
Oh my god.
I feel like Matt's the kind of person that will have fun no matter what, usually.
But it seems like he was like legitimately just getting destroyed.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw at one point a rocket hit him right as he respawned.
Yes, that's exactly what happened.
That's fucking brutal.
Let's go.
What the fuck?
You could just jump and put him in there.
Well, I found a bucket of paint.
Are they dead?
Take the slop bucket, I guess.
Oh my god!
So those are landmines. Got it, guys. We have not fed the guy once. We gotta come up big.
What is this game? And why do I need it?
Looks like Minecraft, like a Lethal Company. I mean, even the UI looks the same.
Dude, Smitty was a cannon on the side of a building, and now he's gone.
A can on the side of the.
Cannon, not a
A
can.
whole ass cannon, the one you saw earlier, Puffer.
He was stuck to the wall. Somebody put him on the wall.
Yeah, how did he do that? How did he glue himself to the wall?
I'll just be doing stuff in this game. I don't even know sometimes that it works.
Now what is he doing?
Pissing me off
Some
because
fuck
I know
shit.
he's somewhere dumb as shit being
Bring the
dumb
biggest
as
joy.
shit.
It's a $5 gift card at Chick-fil-A, bro.
Matt, you
That's
have
what I saw.
no idea how accurate that is, brother.
Immediately calls him out.
Yeah. Matt and Smitty have this like really interesting dynamic where Matt knows what Smitty is doing and he still can't stop him. And I find it actually hilarious. I mean, he knows exactly what he's doing without ever seeing him across the map, yet he can't find him doing it.
Yep.
It happens all the time.
Nothing I can do.
Why does my character kind of have to poop?
What?
Matt, go shit in the store. Go shit in the store.
Pardon?
It's been less than a minute. We're already talking about shit in the other person's store. What is Yummy doing here, dog?
Get out. Leave. You won't leave, this fucker. Get out of here.
I'm gonna go yell at him.
I'm gonna sabotage him. I'm gonna sabotage him.
Bro, he wants to be on this team so bad. Bro's pissed.
Somebody just threw trash in our fucking store. Who
No,
is
though,
this?
when he's
Somebody
not on
just threw
Evan's
trash. He's
team.
red.
Back.
He laughed at me.
Oh, I got arrested. I'm in jail.
What the fuck?
Yummy twerking.
I don't know where
Is there
Yummy
any
went.
poop in the toilet? No, there's
Yeah,
not.
there's poop. Why?
Not
Oh, did you not? Did you? Oh, you flushed it.
What is
Dude,
this,
there's a
prop hunt?
goddamn USPS mailbox on our
What is this fucking
This is
game?
not in our catalog. You cannot
I
buy
don't
this
know,
thing.
dude.
Dude, I can't check people out with this thing in our way. Guys, we're almost out of product. Puffer, can you buy more? Can you guys play the game?
What is happening?
Yeah, I could do it, Smitty.
Is Yummy still on a register?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm staying here.
We got to call a town meeting. This is ridiculous.
I'm being ironic, by the way. I'm in fucking jail currently.
One guy just walked through a wall. He's halfway through a wall. His face is just through the wall.
Why do we have a rubber chicken?
Yeah, go to the computer.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy more shit.
Can you move that,
I have
please?
200 bucks.
Can you get that out of the way?
I actually can't.
Bro,
Oh my god.
Man, you want to see something funny?
this is a disaster. Oh my god! Wait, he literally just took a shit!
He just shit on the conveyor
Oh,
belt, bro.
I'm throwing
You
it
imagine
out.
the conveyor belt going and just smearing the shit everywhere?
No!
Fucking room.
Why would you say that?
Why is there so much poop in this? In the
Oh, they
fucking
turned off
street?
our power. They turned off our
Dude,
power.
I'm
It was
arresting
Yummy's ass. It
somebody.
was Yummy's ass. It was
I
Yummy's
see him. I
ass.
see him. I see him.
What's
I kind
going
of
on?
like this concept of a game.
Yes.
You're just sabotaging each
Don't
other's
know. You can't
stores.
see me.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Because it's like those shitty simulator games where you're against
And now
each
he's
other.
twerking on him.
You didn't.
Yep.
No one suspected
Twerk
the
on his
fucking
ass.
trash can with a pair of handcuffs, did they?
How do they find these fucking games? These are incredible.
Here's the thing, bro. I'll be scrolling TikTok and I will see the like friend's sloppiest fucking toppiest game, and the top comment is, "I can already see Smitty and the boys playing it now."
Yep.
9 times out of fucking 10.
Our friends can't have fun with these games.
No, they can't. They literally can't. It's like pulling teeth sometimes. Or one of these bangers will drop on fucking Wednesday. And they're like, "We'll play it next Monday." Wait, what? No, we gotta jump on it immediately.
$50 advertising one increases the amount of customers that visit your store.
Yes. No, that's worth it. That's worth it.
They're ahead by $200.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
they probably bought advertisement. We need advertisement.
We did plenty of advertising. What do you mean?
What?
Look at the store.
Henry Hippocock.
And we have a guitar and a bed. We can
Maybe we need to sell that stuff.
People can sleep in here, dude. What's not to like?
We might need to say.
Yeah, this store is hot
Don't
ass.
sell.
Cold
How do you
beverages. There's
sell
just a
it?
bed.
Machine.
And a guitar.
Wait, what? How do they do that?
I don't know. I don't. Can I pick it up? Oh my god, I can play. I can do it.
Don't gamble.
No,
our
they're
money.
giving
You're-
him money.
It's over.
No,
We're
no,
shocked.
no,
We're shocked.
gambling.
Not
Oh,
as
no.
$10 leaves the account.
Unless he
We're
wins.
shocked. We're fucking shocked.
He won $2
Minions,
off a
Bob.
$10 scratch.
We lose, dude. It's
Shut
over.
up. This is how we win.
It's over. All right, where should the TV go? Like right above cola.
Why do we need a TV?
I'm not gonna lie.
Breaking
Oh my
news!
God.
Shit is everywhere.
Shit, it's
That is very
We're
true.
up to date on current
The
events.
stock exchange is going crazy. Shit is everywhere.
No, there's just literal shit everywhere. Surely you got to replace the whole belt if someone shits on the little checkout belt, right?
Nah. If you think about it, right, you just put the sponge in one spot and you just keep running the bitch. You have a little squeegee and you put it and then it just and it scrapes it off because it's
Stick
doing
to
all the work
YouTube,
for
buddy.
you.
Stick to YouTube.
It's doing all the work for you. You know what I'm saying?
I have 2 HP. This is not good.
Don't say that out
I'm
loud.
getting a shot. No.
Oh
Oh my god!
want to see
got
that W game.
launched.
Look what I can do to my friends.
Bro, what is this game?
Look what I can do to my friends. Grizzy, get in.
Grizzy, come
Samoan
fucking do
dude.
this, dude.
He died again. Holy shit. Hey, at least you got more loot on the ground, bro.
Maybe if I wasn't for fucking HP! Guys, if you want to enjoy yourself like I am, you missed.
Oh, this is a brand deal. It's a brand deal.
You guys still have ammo? Yeah, you sure do. All right, and there goes my there it goes. I can't recover. I'm rolling down. All right. So I made it back alive.
Oh, you made it?
Yeah,
Wait, you made it?
Bro. Oh my god, he hit Grizzy. Oh my god, I thought he was going to send Grizzy off again. Holy shit.
There has been times, I want everybody to know this, where we have done brand deals and we have recorded ourselves fucking around. And like in the video, it'll be like a solid 5-minute chunk of us not playing the game, but like just doing this. And they have asked me to like remove that.
Yep.
And it's like the funniest part of the whole video.
Yeah. I mean, I get it, but...
No. Dumb as hell.
But that's it for this video, guys. If you guys liked it, hit that like button, subscribe down below. If you're new, check out my friend Basically Work and Smitty. Leave a link down in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Goodbye.